Hi everyone, Renuka here from Association of People with Disability. Welcome to Garden Heaven.
Myself Jaggesh Das. I am an occupational therapist working in the APD for more than 1 year.
Today we are taking you through the nature and transformation. It's an inclusive and sustainable horticulture center where we provide horticulture training to residents of correctional institution complex.
Let's understand what is horticultural therapy. Horticultural therapy is a part of occupational therapy where we will show the beneficiaries or our service takers or the service users to have exposure on the gardens. So in the state home, we have 132 inmates who are diagnosed with mental illness like schizophrenia, paranoid disorder, psychotic disorders, and some of the people are diagnosed with intellectual disability, and we're giving horticulture therapy to them. So in the horticulture therapy, we have made them, first we have actually done the assessments. After the assessment, we got to know like what beneficiary can do, what not to do, how the beneficiary has to do, how not to do it. So based on that, we have made them do some of the groups, and from the group activities, we started horticultural activities. So in the initially, what we will do, we will be doing some warm-up exercises, and there are some closed and controlled environment exercises will be there. So once they got trained into that aspect, then we have given the practical to them. So the closed and controlled environment exercises we have done for around 6 months. After the 6 months, we have taken them to the practical classes. So here I'll just tell the brief about it. First we'll do the warm-up exercises for 30 minutes, and after the 30 minutes they'll be starting their activities. So some of the activities I can name it is like cleaning, weeding, seeding, watering, sapling, all those activities will be there. So let's come to the point, what is the benefit of horticulture therapy? It can be benefited to their social. Along with that, we can also see the benefits in the physical status. We can also see the benefit in the cognitive and their psychological status. I'll tell you one thing, they feel very welcome in this project or in this garden actually. They'll be welcomed here. They can do so many activities all together in this garden. And yes, we do take care of the safety. They should not get harmed by any of the insect or any of the reptiles or anything. I'll tell you much that they are actually feel good whenever they have done their activities. And every activity has some resting period, and after all these garden activities, we always ask them to dance. So actually they can be with them, like they can be with themselves. They can dance out to their levels, and once they get tired, they will go to their state home. So this is about the project. This is about the mental illness. This is all about the intellectual disability and how we are doing and how we are dealing with them.
Lastly, I would like to thank state government for providing land and Robert Bosch for the constant support, and this project would have not been possible without their collaboration. Thank you.
BreakFreeSolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.